everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Understanding Birds. Birds are one of the most beautiful and colorful animals on our planet. They live in almost every habitat of the earth. They possess various features that help them to fly, get their food, and build their nest. In this chapter, we will discuss some of these in detail. Body parts of a bird. This is a beak. This is head. This is eye. This is a tail. This is a wing. And this is leg. Moving on. First, beak. A bird uses its beak to catch and eat food and to feed its young ones. All birds don't eat the same kind of food. Therefore, they have different kinds of beak to suit the type of the food they eat. First, strong, short and hard beak. Birds like pigeon, sparrow and peacock have strong, short and hard beaks. Their beaks helps them to bite and crack nuts and seed they eat. Second, strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Flesh-eating birds like eagles, vulture have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Their beaks helps them to catch and kill the prey and tear its body into small pieces. Strong and chisel-shaped beaks. Birds like woodpecker have strong and chisel-shaped beaks. Their beaks helps them to make holes in the bark of tree and pull out insects. Curved beaks. Birds like parrot have curved beak. Their beaks helps them to crack seed, nuts and fruits. Parrots also use their beak as another foot to climb trees. Broad and short beak. Birds like swallow have broad and short beaks which are sticky inside. Swallow keeps their mouth open while flying. Small flies and insects stick to the beak and the bird swallow them up. Long and pointed beak. Birds like hummingbirds and sunbird have long and pointed beaks. Their beaks help them to suck nectar from flowers. Birds like heron and kingfisher also have long pointed beak to spear fish. Broad and flat beaks. Birds like duck, crane and geese have broad and flat beaks with holes on the sides. These birds take in muddy water with insect, worms and small plants. The muddy water flows out through this hole, leaving the plant and insect inside the beak. Now let us discuss the feathers of the bird. Feathers are most unique features of a bird. They help the bird to fly, to keep itself warm. Feathers are of three types. First, body feather. They cover the body, wings and tails. They are strong but light in weight. They give smooth shape to the bird. Second, down feathers. These are located close to body underneath the body feathers. They are fluffy and soft and help to keep the birds warm. Flight feathers. They are found on the wings and tails of a bird. They are long and flat. The wing feathers are used in flapping and the tail feather helps in changing the direction during a flight.